The best HVAC software for small businesses is a crucial tool for streamlining operations and managing daily tasks. One option, known for its mobile usage, offers 4 payment plans: Solo, Team, Pro, and Enterprise, with monthly fees of $85, $175, $360, and custom prices, respectively. All plans come with a 14-day free trial, allowing businesses to choose the one that best fits their budget. This software is integrated for mobile use, making it accessible to both Android and iOS users, which is particularly useful for businesses without desktop access. It features cloud-based storage, real-time tracking of field technicians and assignments, and responsive customer support. Additionally, it offers easy job scheduling, invoicing, job estimation, and payroll updates, as well as notifications for field technicians via email and text. Another option is known for its communication interface and is used by approximately 3,100 companies. It offers 2 payment plans, Basic and Pro, at $50 and $100 per month per schedule, respectively, both with a free 2-week trial. This software features an easy-to-use interface, deep client management, and a responsive customer support team. It also has a mobile application with advanced features like push notifications and in-field scheduling. A third option stands out for its online integrated features, offering 3 payment plans: Basic, Essential, and Max, priced at $49, $129, and tailored prices per month, respectively. All plans include a 14-day free trial and support a mobile application for both Android and iOS users. This software features job scheduling with GPS tracking, QuickBooks integration, and cloud-based storage for accessing client data and reviews. It also offers real-time tracking of technicians and schedules, as well as full-time customer support. After considering these options, the top pick is the software that offers online integrated features,